Hello, this is Shar from the Real Kitchen for Real People, and I trust that everyone is feeling and doing well. I'd like to give a special shout out and happy Father's Day to all my father subscribers and those who play the role of a father in others' lives. Today we're going to do something special on Father's Day. We're going to make a blueberry lemon tea. So that's going to be our beverage for this Father's Day celebration. So what you'll need is a pint of blueberries, and then you want about 2 lemons, and we're going to take the blueberries. What you're going to do is wash them for sure. Run you a bowl of water first and put your blueberries in the bowl and wash them really good because they can be really dirty. And then we're going to take half of that pint and put it in a little processor, food processor. If you have a smaller one, a chopper, you may have to use the larger one, whatever you have. And we're going to blend these blueberries to kind of get some juice out of them. And then the other half we're going to put in the freezer right now. And you put them in the freezer so they can kind of become ice cubes. They'll be hard to drop in the tea. But the tea itself, you're going to follow the link below for my tea. So when you make that, these are the things you're going to add to that recipe. And that link will be below. So without further ado, we're going to blend these blueberries. And I'm going to put it on hold here so you won't have to hear all the noise. And then I'll come back and show you what it should look like. Okay, let's do it. Okay, this is how it should look when you get through. And what we're going to do now is set this aside and make our tea. But this is how it's going to look. Okay, so we're going to set that aside for a minute. Okay, I'm put my warm tea into my pitcher with my sugar, so you can add the sugar according to your taste. And so I'm pouring the tea into my pitcher. So, okay, now that you have your tea in the pitcher with your sugar, you want to stir that up. Okay. And then we're going to add our blueberries that we chopped and juiced. Now if you have a juicer, you can use that. But we're going to add that to the pitcher of tea. Okay, stir it as you add. Add a little bit at a time and stir until you've added all of your blueberries. Okay, now we have it all ready to add our country thyme. So we're going to add probably about a half a cup of country thyme. So we're going to add our country thyme and stir. Okay, and you add your little lemon slices in there. And now you're ready for a delicious beverage. So we're going to add some ice to the glass and give it a taste. Okay, we've added a few ice cubes along with the frozen blueberries and a slice of lemon. And we're going to pour it into the glass. And it, for some reason, to me, drinks taste better in a glass. But that's just a Shar thing. But okay, so we're gonna taste and see if we need to add anything or sugar or lemon. So you do that according to your taste buds. But we finna try it out. Mmm. That looks so scrumptious. Now that looks marvelous. Ooh, it's ready to add to your Father's Day meal. So if you like this recipe, give me thumbs up. And remember that the description of the regular iced tea will be at the bottom, along with the recipe for the blueberry lemon tea. So we're going to have this for dinner today. And I hope and trust that you enjoy it as much as we do. So if you haven't, you know what to do. You need to subscribe and hit that bell and give me thumbs up so we can keep sharing these awesome, delicious recipes. And be sure to also check out my cookbook. I will have the link for that below. And if you want, you can join the channel under the Pantry Lounge and receive special tips and special recipes. A lot of times they get the recipes in advance. So if you like to join, feel free to hit that join button as well. So without further ado, I'll talk to you later, and happy Father's Day to all the fathers. Love, love. Also, let me know by commenting below how you prepare your tea. If you added something different than what I'm showing, please share that with me. I love to hear your spins. So, until next time, love, love. Hello, this is Shar from the Real Kitchen for Real People, and I wanted to share with you guys my cookbook that's available on Amazon. It is now available on sale for a limited time, but feel free to click on the link below and it'll take you right to this marvelous book. This is a great family story cookbook that I created along with my family and designed by my son. And what's neat about it, you have my mom's original handwriting on recipes for the blank pages, which makes this even more special. But you can go through here and read the stories and the comments that's in the book. And it's just a lot of different recipes of memories around our table, as well as smoked meats that my husband prepared. It's just a wonderful book. And I like to share it with you so you can have it as part of your collection. Your cookbook collection. So it is available as we speak on Amazon, and I will put the link below for you to go in and take advantage of that special price. So without further ado, I will talk to you later, and I appreciate your support. Love, love.